Hey guys, Wayne Grayson here, Editor-in-Chief of Rocket Yard, the official OWC Apple blog, and today we've got an unboxing of an iPhone 15 Pro Max. And voila, an iPhone 15 Pro Max in natural titanium. Now, let's take a look at what's inside the box this year. Obviously, still no charging because Apple has long moved away from providing those, but we do have a new USB-C to USB-C cable, and this year the cable is braided in the iPhone 15 Pro Max box, a little bit more reinforcement than those old rubber-coated cables, and of course these are for the new USB-C port on the iPhone 15 lineup, replacing where the Lightning port used to be. Now, of course, here at OWC, we recommend that you get the OWC Thunderbolt 4 cable because this cable will both charge and allow you to transfer data from your new iPhone, but it's also going to guarantee that you're getting the full USB-C 3.2 speeds from this phone up to 10 gigabits per second, whereas that braided cable that comes with the phone is not going to cut it when it comes to those data speeds. All right, let's go ahead and pull this screen protector off. Nice. This new titanium material that they're using on the iPhone 15 Pro lineup is just so much lighter than the stainless steel that they were using in the previous versions. We're going to go ahead and turn on the phone here. There's our hello screen, beautiful on this new 6.7-inch screen. You'll notice that the iPhone 15 Pro has smaller bezels this time around, giving that display a little bit more room to shine. There's our power button, and we're also looking here at the volume buttons and the new action button. That new action button is maybe one of my most favorite features of this new phone, allowing you to assign shortcuts to it, like opening the camera or the flashlight, and you can actually use it with shortcuts, so you can actually figure out whatever actions you want to do with that shortcuts button. You'll see this natural titanium finish is a little bit warmer than the silver or white titanium finish. It's a beautiful phone, and here are the new cameras, and we're going to have much more on this new device and the capabilities that it has, so be sure to stay tuned to Rocket Yard and OWC. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for visiting the Otherworld Computing YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications to never miss an upload. Join our community and stay up to date with the latest content. We'll see you in the next video.